Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you an easy way to save time on Reddit by automating multi-posting across different subreddits. In this demo, you can see the end result. After posting once, it'll automatically share to all the subreddits you've set up. I'm posting to my profile, and make.com will automatically share it to 2 other subreddits. Test and like how though. I'm running the scenario once. Support me by using my make.com affiliate link in the description. It's at no extra cost to you. First, head to make.com and click Create a new scenario to get started. Select a trigger, like a Google Form response or a new row in Google Sheets. The best option here is Watch for new links in a subreddit. Log into your Reddit. Under subreddit, type /u_ followed by your username. We'll be posting to our own profile, since only you can post there. Alternatively, you could create a private subreddit for this step. Search for Reddit, click on it, then click on Submit a Post. Click on Title, then select Title. Type the name of the subreddits you want to post to under Subreddit Display Name. About types, you can choose 3 post types: text, link, and image. You can't switch types dynamically, so it's best to set up a scenario for each. I'll show you how to set up each type, starting with link posts. For image and video posts, remember, stick with the link setup instead of using the image type. Let's dive in with the link setup first. Choose URL under URL and click on Yes under Resubmit. Then press OK. That's it. Now I'll show you a demo. I'm going to post a post to my profile. As you can see, this subreddit has no posts. I'm going to run the scenario once now. But it's best to activate the scenario, but change the schedule to your needs. It sometimes doesn't show up immediately. I'm going to be adding another subreddit, so after posting to my own profile, it should post it to 2 subreddits. Demo time. You can add as many subreddits as you like. Remember that there is a rate limit. Now, let's look at posting images and videos. For this, still use the link post type. Why? After you post an image or video on Reddit, Reddit returns a URL for it. We use that link to share it across other subreddits, so it appears just like a regular image or video post to viewers. Lastly, we will make a text type version. I'm changing the title so that I know which one is which. Change the type to text and select self-text. Thanks for watching. Try make.com with the link in the description. What should I automate next? See you next time.